What are some geometry? What do you remember about Category 2 geometry? TEKS. No? Is it too specific? What do you remember about geometry?
I remember that there are shapes, and you take like the volume of shapes. You take the volume of shapes, the area of shapes, a lot of Pythagorean theorem, angles, like relationships between shapes. It's just shapes. Shapes.
What are some calculator skills you remember from geometry?
Calculator skills. Well, I only remember things from calculus. Did I use calculator in geometry? I thought that geometry was mostly like knowing the relationships between shapes, like angles. I guess ratios, like, like solving for ratios and stuff. But technically you could do that in your head. I guess just to check your work.
What do you remember? Calculator skills. What would you prepare algebra when students were when they enter geometry?
So long ago.
Oldie.
Think back, it's like 4 years. I would make sure that they know the slope formula, like y equals mx plus b, like backwards and forwards, everything of that sort.
Y1.
That's another slope formula.
That's the same one.
Yeah.
That's the only one.
There's just two versions.
There's two versions?
Yeah. There's y equals mx plus b, and then there's that one where it's y1 minus
Y.
like initial y minus the y. But if you rearrange that formula, it's the same thing as y equals mx plus b.
Okay. How do you feel about selecting representation to solve problems?
Selecting what?
A representation, like a pie chart to solve a problem.
Pie chart.
Like if they gave you 4 options and there were a pie chart, bar graph.
And then you have to show like what represents the data better. Like how would I feel about it?
No. How are you good at that? No.
Well, yeah, I always like that because for me, they were the easiest ones. Because it just
you're a visual person.
Yeah, because I'm a visual person.
What are the properties?
I'm gonna have to edit this.
Yeah. What are the properties of transformations?
The properties of transformation.
I think they slide, transform, there's shapes transform.
Yeah, like rotate. There's a rotate one. There's like up and down one. There is. See, with math, I don't know what it's called. I just don't know. I just know how to do it. That's why it's gonna be hard for you to like get some answers from me.
Marriage. I have no clue what that means. So, what are special right triangles? Do you know?
Oh, special right triangles. I know what that is. I know what those are called.
Finally, something she knows.
There are 3 types. There is the one. Well, a right triangle obviously has 90 degrees, but then there's one where is 45, 45, and then there's another one where it's 90, and then 30 and 60. And they have special, like, all the sides kind of like have a special relationship. Yeah.
Okay. How do you identify Pythagorean triples?
Usually
They
kind of memorize them.
memorize them?
Yeah, like there's the 3, 4, 5, I think is one. I think they're all, are they all multiples of 3, 4, 5? Like, I don't remember.
What are geometric properties?
What? Ask like a geometry student, because they're gonna like remember this.
What are geometric properties?
Like all of them?
Yeah.
There's like angle relationships. There's like the one where it's like that. It's like a 180 line, and then you have like, I forgot what that's called, and there's like the 91 where it's like that.
Okay.
And, oh my god, this is so